In this video, I'm going to show you how to access call statistics for your company's Universe communication system. Administrators of the system have access to two sets of reports: call usage and statistics. The usage function allows the administrator to produce a detailed list of both incoming and outgoing calls for individual agents or users in their company, and for calls that come into an IVR. And the statistics section enables administrators to obtain information on the call handling of incoming calls for an agent group. In this video, I'll look at statistics and I'll show Universe administrators how to obtain statistics of calls that come into an agent group for a specified period. Go to selfcare.thisisuniverse.io and log in your usual way. Then go to the drop-down below your name at the top right and select Swap to Administrator View. Now select My Reports from the top menu bar, followed by Statistics here on the left-hand side. You'll then be presented with a list of all of your company's agent groups. Type the name of the agent group whose call statistics you wish to access in the search bar. Select your group by clicking on the eye icon next to it. Next, choose a time frame from the drop-down here and the statistics dashboard for your group will appear. Here I can see the incoming call statistics for my customer orders agent group for the last 14 days. I've got an overview of the waiting time in the queue for calls in this period. The maximum time that a caller has had to wait is 19 seconds. The total wait time for all callers is 1 minute 37 seconds and the average wait time is 7 seconds. You can see that my agent group has answered 13 calls and lost 9. The average talk time is 1 minute 3 seconds. And below the dashboard are two charts which show the call statistics for my agent group. The top chart gives the number of calls lost and answered per day, so you have the date across the bottom and the number of calls on the vertical axis. The bottom chart gives the average talk time, ATT, and average wait time, AWT, per day. The horizontal axis shows the date, and on the vertical you've got the average time in seconds. And if I hover over the curve for the 9th of April, I can see that the average wait time for callers to the customer orders agent group was 4 seconds, and that the average talk time for the group on that day was 78 seconds. And next to the charts you'll see the Generate Reports button. Here you can produce an Excel spreadsheet which will go into your Downloads folder. Here's mine. As you can see, each call is listed for the period. You can see the date and time of entry into the queue, time in the queue in seconds, the talk time in seconds, whether the call was answered or abandoned, the agent group, and the number in the queue that the caller was on entry. This will be 0 if there were no other callers in the queue. You can see which agent from the group answered the call. It will say not picked up if the call was lost. And in the final column, you'll see the caller's ID, which I've greyed out for confidentiality. You'll find more how-to videos on the resources page of our website, along with other useful guides for Universe users and administrators. Thank you for watching.